Larry. Steve. No. Sergey.
Bravo. Bravo.
Brava.
Bravo.
Do you like? Si Pudaldi, do you like?
I like.
I like.
Okay, we go down here, everybody. We go down here, please.
Thank you.
Yeah, real lady, okay? So you can follow my colleague here and then he's gonna introduce more. I go first to take care of
on the
them.
other side.
Okay, sure. So you follow them, okay?
Thank you so much. Everybody, can you
So,
please
sir, if you want to listen,
gather along me,
you
please,
follow
right
him.
here, please.
I
I
will
want to
see
show you
later.
something
Okay?
before we keep
Because
going
I
today,
get a
please.
old,
Thank you so much.
lady over
Alright, so ladies and gentlemen, so welcome to amazing or surprising cape of Vietnamese name will be Sim Sir, right? So when we translate into English, will be amazing or surprising cape. This is not the biggest in Vietnam, but the biggest cape in Ha Long Bay today so far. And that was spent like 45 minutes to discover the cape today. So this cape was founded in 1901 by the French in the research of limestone in this era, and the time of the war between Vietnam and America. So this cape will use a hideout bridge for Vietnamese soldiers as well. In 1993, the cape was started opening for tourists coming to visit. So it more than 10 years opening already, right? So this cape is going to be divided into 3 chambers. This is the first one, very small. So now we keep working to the second one, is bigger. And if you want to take a picture with more space, also more beautiful, I recommend the third chamber, the biggest chamber, the third one, the biggest and more space for everybody to take a picture, right, please? And right here, I just want to show you the big animals in here. Behind there, can you see the big, that's one, the ball had the shape of the wolf. Yes, wolf, right? The first one. And the second one right here, this one look like the big animals, like this one like the camel, dinosaur, or chicken. And behind here, what you see now, this one is like the big elephant with the jump around the body. Okay, this elephant, right? So now we keep walking this way, please, everybody. Now picture on the narrow way, okay, it's very narrow here.